Hi everyone, I'm Danny Uribe with Protos Fishing, and this is the Protos series by Eastcape. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the boat, and we're going to start up here in the front. Up top here we got a Power Pole Move PV trolling motor, and that's affixed to a Power Pucks quick release bracket system. The cool thing about this is that this power pole mounts electronically into that Power Pucks, so you don't have any extra power cords laying around. You're not going to have any tripping hazards or anything like that, and it's going to be all removable. All you do is undo this lock here, pull this pin, motor comes right off. We also have this set up so that if you want to use a foot controlled trolling motor, you can hook up the foot control to the power up here in the front, and you'll be able to use that. So if you don't want to use the remote, you can use the foot pedal. Up here we also have our HDS 16 Pro from Lowrance. That's going to be running your systems for your forward-facing sonar. You have two forward-facing sonar units. Right here we have one fixed to the trolling motor. And then you're going to have a custom machined bracket quick release system. So you're actually able to take all this off the boat. So if you're going tarpon fishing, you're going to be going in the flats, you don't want any of this stuff here. You're going fly fishing. This trolling motor comes off, pull this pin, you unscrew that one bolt right there, and all your electronics come off, and you have a nice clean deck. As we work our way down, you're going to see we have our custom deck system. This is by Floret, Texas, and this is hydrofoam. Hydrofoam's got a higher PE content, so it's going to be more stain resistant. It's going to last a lot longer, and it's got a 3-year warranty on it. As we come further down, you're going to see we have our jump seat system that came with the Eastcape. So every boat built with the Protos package will have this system in it. And underneath, you're going to have a nice cooler, and that cooler is insulated. Up here at the helm, you're going to see our second HDS 16 Pro. That's NEMA 2000 connected, Ethernet connected to your bow unit. They're going to be able to talk to each other, and you'll be able to see everything from here that you're going to see up front here. Powering our whole system is our lithium pros batteries. Those are also NEMA connected to your head unit in the front, which is super important because I can get a reading on my unit of how much battery power I have left. We also have the power pole charge system in this boat, with the port being right here on the exterior. And that's going to be a huge system for when your motor is running. You'll be able to put 30 amp of energy back into your cranking battery and keep your boat powered up throughout the day so that you can run everything that you need to be running. You also see that we have our paddle shift system here. This is for our trim and our jack plate, which you'll see in the back here in a second. This was custom powder coated in-house at Eastcape. And then you'll see we have our Protos custom knob on our Gemlux wheel with our custom colored rope here, our paracord. Another unique system that we did with the Protos series is we put a bulkhead Alivewell in this boat. And you'll be able to see that we have the glass, and you'll be able to see your catch actually inside of there. We have our scan strut phone charger up here on the helm. We have our keyless start for your Suzuki motor, our wet sound system with our 2 speakers on the front here, up on the front bulkhead. We have the Protos exclusive custom lift system here. So your seat will be lifted up a few inches off the deck here. You can clean underneath there, keep it all nice and pretty so you don't have mold growing underneath there, getting grime stuff that you can't get. And then you also have the wraparound diamond hand stitch seating with the removable backrest as well. As we work our way a little bit further down here, you're going to see that we have a custom paint job. And this is a custom to Protos only flake color that we have embedded into our vanilla white color. Gives it a lot more pop, but not too much. It's very subtle, and it's going to be available on the Protos series only. We'll see we have our cast platform, and this is what Eastcape would call the spider platform, and it's got a nice rubber seal up here so you don't lose any grip. our new power pull blades, and this is running on the one pump. That's super unique, guys. You don't have to run two pumps for your two blades anymore. We have one pump, keeps it lighter weight, keeps everything more compact in the back here and in your bilge, so you have more room and more area to store things. This is an 8-foot blade, and this is in matte black, and this is exclusive with their one pump. As we go further into the back here, we got our powerhouse Suzuki here. This is the 115 Stealth. It's going to push this boat in excess of 50 miles per hour when you have it propped correctly. We're going to be running a 22 pitch PowerTech prop. That's going to come with every Protos series. Another thing we have going here, which we love this a lot, and this is our transducer shield and saver system. If you're pushing a boat over the flats or you hit a rock or a stump, your transducer is going to flip up and you're not going to have any damage to that. You don't have to worry about it ripping off or coming off. You also see we powder coated the trim tabs here, and these are Bennett trim tabs as well. And we have two transducers on either side. This is a 3D structure scan, and then you have the 3-in-1 fish reveal. Everything's in high def, so all your modules are going to be mounted in the back here. And then you also have your C-Star hydraulic jack plate. That is in matte black to go with our blackout theme. We have our V-Marine push-pull holder on top. That is removable. You have your V-Marine push-pull holders on the side. Those are all billet machined. And on the inside, on both deck sides or bulkheads, we have the V-Marine push-pull holders for the rod storage. It's a great series, guys. We're super proud of this boat. Only 12 of these will ever be made. So we're excited about it. We want you guys to jump on board. You can get a hold of myself, or you can get a hold of Eastcape. You can go to eastcapeboats.com, or you can go to protosfishing.com. We look forward to hearing from you guys.